This guy's a dick! I hate you! I just got here. David was in the coffee shop. And I was riding around. I was like, where's your bike park, David? I was on the phone to him. I was like, it's in the motorcycle parking. I was like, where? Where we parked before, the motorcycle parking. I was like, yeah, I'm here. Your bike isn't there. There's a Kawasaki here. I got here and he's like, you've moved my bike, haven't you? You've moved my bike. I was like, no, I promise. I was just about to get my phone out to call the police when he gets his fucking disc lock and unlocks this thing. How do you get a whole new fucking bike without even telling me? Nice bike, by the way. So you got money and that?
Yes. It works.
Yeah, I'll just throw that in. Can I sit on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Starts 9 out of 10 times. No, I'm joking. It's not started
Oh
yet.
my god, this thing's light.
It is quite light. It's about 170 kilograms.
Got a lot of leeway. Oh wow, that's an easy clutch. Can I hear it?
Yeah.
This is either going to be really good or really disappointing.
Wow.
Does it have a choke?
Yes.
That's a funny sounding bike.
Yeah. It sounds better warmed up. Glad you told me it had a choke. Also has lights.
How long have you had it?
No.
Today? Did you get it today?
Yeah. These are lights. The lights can be turned off.
Whoa, how old is this bike?
Yeah, exactly, right?
This was not a good day to do this.
Nope. But the sun is out like I said it would be at this time.
The sun is out.
The sun is out from cover for a temporary moment.
Yeah.
If you go over a bump, the whole fan goes clunk. What the hell was that? A little sensor on the back of the Mini just flashed.
Yeah, I thought that.
Is that like a go fuck yourself tailgating light?
I don't know.
Is that finally a thing?
I wasn't looking very closely. For a second I thought it like backfired and spit flames or something.
It like takes your picture and then puts it on the internet like tailgater. Now you can see its number plate. Oh, it's a bike. I thought it was a reversing light, to be honest.
Yeah. You just shit yourself temporarily. Maybe it was the reversing light. They just went into the wrong gear.
How though?
Oh, by the way.
Yeah.
Sorry, Ringland.
Why?
I feel bad we didn't invite him.
Oh yeah, which exit should we take?
For last one, yeah.
The big one.
But yeah, I'm really sorry, Ringland. This was such a last-minute thing.
Maybe this is Ringland's old bike. He said he had a KLE.
That'd be
no,
funny.
GPZ, that's what it's called.
I still can't believe you didn't tell me.
I did. Once you got here.
You know I'm going to have to delete you from the Triumph groups on Facebook.
No, you're not. I have too much fun, like, looking on it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. If I turn on my lights, I get lights behind my dials turn on.
And your brake light turns on.
Yeah, that's not my brake light. That's my brake light.
Alright, yeah, alright, you know what I mean.
Yeah,
just
rear
your
light,
rear light.
tail light.
That's amazing. That means you could go in complete stealth mode.
Incognito.
Hey, wait, turn off. Oh my god, it turns off your number plate light as well.
Speed camera down. Right?
That's amazing! I want that feature! You know what you need next? Night vision.
Yes, from my goggles.
Yeah.
Where are you, Henge? There's a 10-foot National Trust wall built around it now, so you have to pay to see it. You have to pay to peek through one of the bricks.
For England, should we try and look out for Stonehenge this time?
Yeah. There it is.
We missed it last time.
There it is.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Did you know that there's actually landmines in that field to stop you from, well, I'm bullshitting, obviously.
Yeah. Hey, look, another petrol station.
Now I no longer need one, they're going to be everywhere.
Yeah. It's like cars in GTA.
Oh, I don't play that game.
He's fucked. Okay.
I cannot hear you very well.
I need to pull over.
Why?
Cameras.
Oh, I thought it was something really bad. Yeah, we can do that soon.
We just missed one. Oh, let's pull over in the
retail park.
Yeah. And then we can turn on the sat nav.
Yeah.
Right. At last. We can stop.
You could have stopped any way you liked.
Any way you want it, that's the way you need it. So, after an hour rest here.
Yeah.
Chugs.
We've been here about 4 minutes.
Yeah. Does this mean I have to lead now?
You can navigate me from behind if you really like.
Let's not do that.
Sounds a bit gay, actually.
Let's leave that in gear. It's good, no one's going to steal our bikes because no one can see them. Have the key. You can guess where the ignition is.
It's probably here.
It's good. Oh.
It's dark.
Oh,
I can't
he's good. Wait. I mean, now you're going to get it straight away.
There we go. What the fuck is the side stand doing down here?
Oh, no. It's great.
This is fucking insane. That's weird.
Now be careful.
Oh, it's in
If
gear.
you drop it, it'll be really funny and get me loads of views.
I'm not allowing that to happen. The fuck are the pegs?
Spicy110's on my bike.
Oh, this is weird shit. This is a very, very strange shit going on right now. Spicy's on a cruiser.
He's loving it. He's absolutely loving it. I can even see for his helmet the massive grin.
I really don't think they realised it was me. They looked at me like, what the hell is that?
Yeah, what's that nutter doing?
Why is he just waving at us?
Yeah.
This is weird. What do you think? What am I doing? What a hog.
A really dirty one.
Exactly, that's the point. I was like, they're never going to realise. Alright, well, I'll be back.
Did you just think, what dick is out there? I'm going to go tell him off. Shall I put out an APB from a bike? Last seen at Loomies Moto Cafe. Oh, there it is.
Heading down the highway.
He's just stuck at the light.
Looking for a adventure and people to punch you in the face. You shit.
Oh, you left me hanging.
Did you turn the fuel tap off?
Yes.
You fucking arsehole! I got the corner, it died on me. I was like, what the hell? And I was like, no, it's going to be the fuel tap.
I completely forgot about that.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. I didn't. And I won't forget about it.
Next coming up, I ride Derek. I'm joking.
There we go if you want.
I've never been on a bike that high. May I? Oh, my... God, bloody hell. Hello. No, you're not on.
Oh, turn me on. Okay.
I want everyone to know Spicy just said turn me on.
Well, I did say turn me on because I wasn't very turned on, but now I'm all turned on and you can see.
Oh, this is strange. I've never sat on a motocross before. May I?
That one under there.
Oh. Oh, that sounds better than mine.
It's yeah, there's a bit more noise there.
Such a familiar view, strangely.
I suppose it is really, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll just go along that way.
Try it.
Ooh.
There you go. Oh, he did it. He did it. He's alright.
Oh my god, I'm so high. I mean, not in the 420 Blaze It sense, but literally.
Why are there
like
loads
I
of
feel
cars
like I'm in the
coming
clouds. I have never been so upright. This is strange. Oh yeah, it's a very different clutch riding.
I'm surprised because you see, when I went from my bike onto this, I was not used to that clutch.
Yeah.
And considering what your clutch is like, I'm quite impressed.
Yeah, I'm revving a bit more than I should be. here, but you know.
No, to be honest, that's better because it dies if you don't.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool. I should probably hand this back to you now.
I did discover something about this the other day. Oh, actually, no, they're probably going to fucking kill me if I do this outside Loomies.
I rode Spicy's bike. I can see it. I can see the little. Hang on, let me get down.
Yeah.
Nice. That was great. Thanks very much.
What?
That was great.
What? I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
Deaf.
I've never ridden a bike so gingerly. I just did not want to hurt Derek at all.
I'm just an asshole that seems to be able to jump on bikes and I've never even sat on a cruiser before, and I was just like, oh,
You look. The first thing I thought is like, wow. He's like the first thing people do is, where the hell are the foot pegs?
Well, I did do that to start. I was like, no, they're over here.
Yeah, but no, you look like a proper natural.
I have a really good idea for those red lights.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. He was such a nice guy, actually.
Yeah, for the second time we've met him, he is still a nice guy.
Like, his videos isn't a persona of him, it's actually him, he's very honest. And he let me ride Derek, which is the nicest thing ever. Though, I'm going to say now, please don't keep asking him if you can ride Derek. Can you imagine how that would make him feel?
Unless you let him ride your bike first.
Yeah, let him ride your bike first and you're fine.
And he needs to hold your keys whilst you're up on heads.
Also, you have to have a cruiser. I have an idea. I'm just really glad I didn't drop his bike.
I was thinking like, oh no, please don't. It'd be too embarrassing.
Yeah, I swear you just walked out of Loomies and saw me riding his bike.
I knew you were gonna.
Oh, did you? Okay.
It's more to the fact I walked in Loomies because I knew you were gonna ride his bike.
I don't want to be around when he crashes it. What are you doing?
Well, next to me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, drag!
I was in the wrong gear! Not fair. Why did you not do that on the A roads when it was legal? I'm not doing it now.
Aww.
There's a corner up ahead.
Pussy.
Get in your lane.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, David, there's a bloody hill.
Well, me and Luke travelled halfway across the country so Luke could try out a supermoto. And now we're going home.
Yeah? It's been a really good day, I'm glad we went. Despite the wind and the rain.
Next
Great.
week we try riding hurricanes.
Well, in case you're watching this from Spicy's video, my name's Luke and that's David, if you didn't already figure that out. We make dual MotoVlogs. We both record them, we edit into one, we have intercoms, it's really cool and shit. And then there's Bring Luke, who's going to be joining us soon. And then there's all sorts of exciting stuff. So, subscribe and like and be my friend. And you don't have to do any of those things, I just felt like I had to say that.
You can be my friend though. Luke, you don't have friends.
But hey, I'm YouTube famous now.
Also, he likes to believe.
Shut up! Don't take this away from me!
You never had it.
God damn it. I hate you. David.
Hey. You get to hold your throttle. It's not going to work. We're too far away. You need to be good to do this. I want cruise control.
I'm not going to get into your lane. Right, I'll close mine up. God damn it.
Ready? Ready?
Oh, right. Yay! That was shit. Oh,
now
no.
we hit the low.
Great. Hang on, wait.
City centre. Like a badass.
Anyway. David's off to the toilet. And Lukey's off to bed. Night night.
You pricks! Ah. Oh, he thanks me. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you.